Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily backdate your WordPress blog post. Firstly, I will show how you can do this on Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show for the classic editor. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to my all post section. After that, I am going to open this test post in Gutenberg blog editor, and I am going to preview the post. Then you can see which date this post was published. It was November 13. Today is November 13. I want to make it 1st January 2020. So how I can make this backdate? Let me show you. So I opened that post in Gutenberg blog editor. After opening the post, you will go to the right side, this side. Okay, here you will find publish. You see this publish. Right side, click on immediately. After that, you can change your date, year, time, everything you can change. As example, I want to make this post for 2020 1st January. So here I am writing 2020 instead of 2024, and instead of November I am making it January, and date will be 01. Okay, then click the outside. After that, click the outside of this box and publish this post. If you click the view post, you will see this post published date is January 1, 2020. So this is the very simple tricks to backdate your post in Gutenberg blog editor. Right now I will show same of this post how you can backdate on classic editor. Now I am going to open that same post in classic editor. After that, you see this post is on classic editor. And if I click on the view post, here is still it's January 1st, 2020. Now I want to make it 2019. So come to the right side. After coming the right side, you will see there has a published date option. This published on January 1st, 2020. So this part right side you will get edit option, and I want to make it 2019, and for the January 10. Okay, update. So update is done. If I give a refresh on this page, let's see, January 10, 2019. So this is the way. Actually today is 13 November 2024. I made that post firstly in Gutenberg 2020 1st January, and after that I showed you how you can make backdate classic editor, and I made it 2019 10 January. So it's done for today. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.